In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a new business or taking your existing one online, creating a Shopify store is an excellent choice due to its ease of use and powerful features. Let's dive right in and get your store up and running. First things first, head over to the Shopify website and sign up for a free trial. This trial lets you test out the platform before committing to a monthly plan, and Shopify offers various plans to accommodate different business needs. Take a moment to think about what your business requires, whether it's an extensive product catalog or just a simple storefront, and choose a plan that aligns with your goals. Remember, you can always adjust your plan later as your business evolves. Once you've set up your account, navigate to the Shopify admin and locate the Products section. Here, you can add your products by entering essential details like titles and descriptions that accurately convey what your products are about. Pricing is key, so be sure to set competitive yet profitable prices. Don't forget to upload high-quality images or even videos to grab potential customers' attention. Visual content can significantly impact a shopper's decision, so clear and attractive visuals are a must. Next, you'll want to ensure that customers can complete their purchases seamlessly by connecting your Shopify store to reliable payment gateways such as PayPal or Stripe. These gateways make it easy for customers to pay with their preferred method, and setting them up is generally straightforward. Just follow the prompts to link your accounts and make sure to test them to confirm everything is working smoothly. Now, it's time to give your store some personality by selecting a theme. Shopify offers a variety of themes, both free and paid, that can really make your store stand out. Choosing a theme that aligns with your brand is crucial. It's important that your store's look and feel resonate with the products you are selling and the message you want to convey to your customers. Finally, it's crucial to place a test order before launching to ensure that every part of your store is functioning correctly, from browsing products to processing payments. This step gives you peace of mind that when real customers start visiting, everything will run smoothly. Once you're confident that your store is ready, it's time to launch. Celebrate this milestone because your online store is now live and you're ready to start selling your products to the world. Building your Shopify website doesn't need to be a complicated process. With these straightforward steps, you'll go from setting up your account to launching a fully operational online store in no time. Whether you're starting small or aiming for a large audience, Shopify's platform caters to all sorts of sellers, and you'll be well on your way to online success. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.